Are you ready for the future of heat protection? Heat damage goes deeper than you think, reaching hair's core to create dullness, breakage, and color fade from within. But what if you could defend against heat damage? K18 HeatBounce protects from heat deeper than ever before, while weightlessly conditioning all hair types. Patented resilicore technology goes beyond where traditional heat protectants can reach, protecting cuticle to cortex, where heat damage goes, bouncing away heat damage up to 450 degrees. For hair that's soft, bouncy, resilient, with 85% less breakage after blow drying. Resilicore is inspired by resilient proteins found in nature and recreated in the lab to be sustainable, vegan, and cruelty-free. The future of heat protection protects deeper than ever before. So go ahead, turn on the heat.